Another day of roofer madness. How we doing, Alexis?
Good.
We're almost done with the front side, or actually the south side of the master bedroom. He's finishing up under the eave there. The tedious part.
Yep.
I've got the cap started over there. And then up here, we have some guests. They came all the way from Iceland to help me with my roof. All the way from Iceland.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. And so they've been tearing off the third floor roof, and they've made a nice work of it. Yeah. Of course, still to do is to move all the debris all the way to the other side of the house and drop it in the trailer. Ooh, now they're working on the last side. And it is a gorgeous day to do this. It's in the upper 50s, but up here it's warmer. Just beautiful. There goes some hay.